In this tutorial, we will learn how to add and customize an image hotspot in your virtual tour. To begin, click on your desired location within the scene to place the hotspot and open the Settings panel. Under the Link To drop-down menu, select Image. Next, click Select File. Browse your computer to find the image you want to display and upload it. In this example, we are using a photo of the Eiffel Tower. Now, let's customize how the hotspot appears in the room. Scroll down to the Edit Hotspot section. From the standard icons list, let's choose the picture icon so viewers know it's a photograph. To make the hotspot stand out against the white wall, click on Icon Color and use the color picker to select a vibrant purple. Next, scroll down to set up the tooltip. This is the information box that appears when a user hovers over the icon. Let's give it a title and a short description. You can also customize the text style. Here, we'll change the description color to red. To make the tooltip even more engaging, you can add a thumbnail. Click Select File under Tooltip Image and upload a logo or a small graphic. Once your file is uploaded, and if you want your hotspot to look like it's actually mounted on the wall rather than floating on your screen, toggle the Attach as Layer option. This locks the icon to the room's perspective, making it look like a seamless part of the environment as the camera moves. Now, let's preview the scene to see our new hotspot in action. In the preview mode, as we look around the room and hover over our purple icon, the custom tooltip appears exactly as we designed it. Clicking the icon opens up our high-resolution image for the viewer to enjoy. Now let's move on to the next feature, iframe integration. To begin, click the plus icon to add a hotspot to the wall surface. This opens the Settings panel on the right. Under Link To, we'll select our content type. In this walkthrough, we are setting up an iframe URL to embed a secondary tour. Now, notice the Attach as Layer toggle. By enabling this, your hotspot no longer floats in front of the camera. It locks onto the 3D geometry of the room. Paste your URL and choose your icon. Because Attach as Layer is active, this icon will now skew and scale realistically as you pan around the bedroom. Add your tooltip title, iframe, and a brief description. These labels provide context when a user interacts with the spatial layer. To finish the look, upload a custom logo. This image will appear within the tooltip, maintaining a professional brand presence inside the 360-degree environment. Close the settings and hover over the icon. Note how the marker sits flat against the wall, behaving like a physical decal rather than a digital button. Clicking the hotspot opens the embedded content. This is the perfect way to create windows into other scenes or websites while maintaining 3D immersion. Now let's explore the hotspot image feature. How to add and customize interactive image hotspots in your 360-degree virtual tour. First, select the hotspot you wish to edit. In the Hotspot Settings panel, you can easily swap out the default file with your own media. Here, we're uploading a classic masterpiece. Once uploaded, use the transformation handles to resize and position the image perfectly on the wall. Next, let's add some context. Under the Marker Style section, you can define a tooltip title and a description to guide your viewers. To make it even more engaging, you can upload a tooltip image. This will appear as a thumbnail when a user hovers over the hotspot. And there you have it, a fully interactive element that provides information and visual flair to your virtual space. Your scene is now updated and ready to share. Let's move on to the next feature, Hotspot Video. Start by creating a new hotspot. This will act as our interactive layer for the television in the room. Next, upload your video file. Use the transformation tools to scale and rotate the media so it aligns perfectly with the perspective of the TV screen. Once the file is uploaded, we can fine-tune the behavior in the Hotspot Settings panel on the right. Set the marker opacity to 0 to keep the interface clean. Then choose the hover trigger for the tooltip to ensure a seamless user experience. Add a clear title and description. In this case, we'll simply label it Hotspot Video to guide the viewer. To give it a professional touch, upload a custom tooltip image or icon that matches your brand's aesthetic. With everything saved, let's test it. As the cursor hovers over the TV, our custom tooltip appears and the video plays exactly where it belongs. And there you have it, a fully immersive, interactive element added in just a few clicks. Let's switch to the HTML embed feature. First, navigate to your 360-degree scene. We'll start by selecting the Hotspot tool to begin our integration. Click exactly where you want the video to appear. In this case, we're placing it on the main office wall. Now, move to the Hotspot settings on the right. Simply paste your YouTube embed code into the provided field. To make it look like a real TV, use the anchor points to scale and position the frame until it fits the wall's dimensions. Let's add some context. Enter a title and description for the tooltip that will appear when a user hovers over the area. To make the player look native to the room, set the marker opacity to 0. This hides the UI and shows only the video content. You can further customize the interaction by uploading a specific icon or logo to act as your trigger point. Once everything is aligned and styled, save your changes. You'll see a confirmation that your tour scene has been updated. Now, let's test the live version. Reload your tour and navigate back to the office to see the final result. Hover to see your custom tooltip, then simply click play. Your video is now a fully functional, interactive part of the 360 environment.